Hello everybody, it's Rachel here with an Etsy update. I don't normally do these, but I felt like I only ever do them when I feel like I need to explain what you're seeing. So my husband Steffi has been researching, and he found a wholesaler. We did mention it to Juanette that we were going to go, actually Steph went, that has coloured straw paper. And we had seen it in a restaurant, and so we got the wholesaler from one of our favorite restaurants, and these are the first 4 colors that we have now. This one is like I don't know how good the colors are going to be in the photos. This is kind of like a limey appley sort of green in between, a marine sort of navy blue. This is like a darker raspberry red, I would say, like a wine red sort of thing, and then we've got like a lovely sky sort of blue. So the way, just listen carefully, the way I'm going to be selling it is I always weigh things to help get the best shipping for you know, the weight. Like if you've got like a extra 100 grams, I'll try and go as close as I can to the limit that where it's going to jump to the next price. Now we were going to just do mix packs because I feel like it's more beneficial to buy a larger pack than a smaller pack as far as shipping is concerned. But then we thought if we introduce new colors, because Steffi said there were other colors that he liked but he didn't get them because he wasn't sure if I liked them, then it's harder to introduce new colors. So we're going to have listings, 1 for each color, and then 1 listing for all 4 colors. And maybe it'll be mixed colors when I have more available. It'll just be mixed. Okay, so the individual listings are going to be, the individual color listings are going to be for 20 sheets. So you'll get, for each color, you'll get 2 of these blocks. Now they are bigger. I'm leaving them whole. They've got a slight crease in them. They are bigger than the regular golden mustardy sort of color straw paper. They are also higher quality. They're thicker as well. So yeah, a little bit heavier and thicker straw paper. So so you're in the listing for each individual color, you'll get 20, so 2 lots. I've got 1 lot of each here, but this is 10. So you'll get 2 green. I'm not going to do mixed 1 green and 1 blue, anything like that. You can get all green, all blue, or red, or light blue. Okay. I might call this periwinkle blue, marine blue, blue, apple green, and raspberry red, or wine red. That's what I'll give them a name. So you'll get 20 sheets, and the shipping will work out more than the cost of the paper. That is because it's heavy, but I've put in the maximum for that price of shipping that you'll get for the individual colors. Now the pack with all the colors, which is this one actually, this one is a pack of all the colors. You will get 15 sheets of each color. So you'll get a total of 60 sheets. So if you cut them in half, you've got 120. A bit like the other pack, there's 120 pieces. However, they are quite a bit smaller. The format of that paper is smaller. So, and that is, I think they weigh about 800 grams. No, probably about 850 grams. For the whole lot. So this pile here weighs about 850 grams. It can go up to 1 kilo. So obviously you could fit a few little packs of fabric in with that, like the ephemera packs or something, but just check with me, or I just refund the excess. Okay, so the multiple color one is just under 1 kilo. The individual colors are just under 350 grams. I have to go to about 300 grams because then there's you know, the packaging. I haven't put the cellophane bag on yet, and then you've got the padded bag, and so it might even go over. I'll have to be careful of that. So that is the new listing for the coloured straw paper, and hopefully it'll be a staple in my shop. We'll see how we go. And I think they're going to be super fun to use. I'm imagining painting for those who are painters with like even if you use gouache or paint pens, acrylic paint pens on them, even, you know, just like micro pens on them. And I'm also thinking like white Posca pens and that sort of thing will be good on the darker colors. And I just think they're going to be a lot of fun. These will be great in Christmas. These could be fun in any journal really, or Easter journals, whatever you like. So really the colors can go anywhere, and it's just to add another element to our journals. So that is my Etsy update. Stef is so excited. He sourced this. It's all because of him. So thank you, Steffi. We have more fun things to play with. I don't have any of this in my stash yet, but I will pull out some for myself. And I hope you like them, and you can see the colors well. They're not 100% in the photographs. I tried my best, but hopefully in this video I think you're seeing the colors as they are. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.